Garbage Family Show!
Hey Garbage Family Show friends, I'm working really hard to make brand new content for you guys. Thank you so much for 120 million views. Thanks for subscribing. I gotta get back to work now. Stay tuned. It's springtime and it's the perfect weather to follow the garbage truck. Come along with me. Here it comes, coming in hot. Bam! First can down. He can really make it happen. There's a full bin. And another full bin. Perfect dump. Carlos sure is amazing. Backing it up and on to the next one. Right now we're filming the garbage truck from the inside of our car. So the windshield's a little dirty, but you can still see it. This next bin's really full, so he has to go slow. Up it goes. And he did it. Way to go.
Hey Garbage Family Show friends, this is Gracie. We got a lot of good videos coming up soon. Make sure to check them out.
Look at this recycling can, Garbage Family Show friends. It's missing a wheel and it's sideways. Oh, he squeezed the can. Let's see if it falls over when he sets it back down. It fell, but the lid saved it. Good job, Carlos. It looks like this driver's finished with his route. Thanks for your hard work. Have a good one. So that's it for now, Garbage Family Show friends. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps us out a lot. See you in the next one. Bye.